12 January 2019 JEE Main Shift 2 question number 23. It's a memory based question. If f1 is equal to 2 and f dash x is equal to fx and hx is equal to f0 fx, then h dash 1 is equal to 4 options are given. Okay, now problem is given f dash x is equal to f of x. That implies f dash x divided by fx is equal to 1. Integrating both sides, we get f dash x divided by fx is equal to integration 1. That implies ln fx is equal to x plus c, implies putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. That implies ln f of 2 is equal to 1 plus c. That implies ln f of, it is f1 is equal to 2. Why? Or f1 is equal to 2. Therefore, that implies ln f2 minus ln e. Log 1 means log of e, therefore that is equal to c. That implies ln 2 by e is equal to c. Now putting the value of c in this equation, we get ln f of x is equal to x plus ln 2 by e. That implies ln, side change, fx divide 2 by e is equal to x. That implies now eliminating log both sides, we get fx divided by 2 by e is equal to e to the power x. That implies fx is equal to 2 into 2 by e into e to the power x is equal to 2 into e to the power x minus 1. Now we reached fx is equal to 2 into e to the power x minus 1. Therefore, hx is equal to f of x, that is equal to f of 2 into e to the power x minus 1. Now we put x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to at x is equal to minus 1. Now put x is equal to minus 1 at x is equal to sorry, x is equal to 1, h dash 1, therefore x is at x is equal to 1 implies h1 is equal to f of 2, that is 2 to the power 0, therefore 1 minus 1 is equal to e to the power 0. E to the power 0 means h1 is equal to 2 of e. h1 is equal to 2 of e. As this fx, this one line I missed, that 2 e to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2 into e to the power 2 e x minus 1 minus 1. Here we put x is equal to 1, then h1 is equal to 2 e to the power x. 2 e to the power x, x means 1, therefore h1 is equal to, we get h1 is equal to 2e. Now ln h of x, ln h of x is equal to ln 2 plus h1's value, we put h1's value 2 into e to the power x minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 ln, it is ln e, ln e to this what this is multiplied with ln e. Therefore now differentiating this we get after differentiating it becomes ln hx, both side differentiate, and therefore h dash, it becomes h dash x divided by h of x is equal to 0 plus 2 into e to the power x minus 1 minus of 0. At x is equal to 1, it becomes h dash 1 divided by h of 1 is equal to 2 into e to the power 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2, implies h dash 1 is equal to 2 into h of 1. We know h1 is equal to 2e. Now putting h1 is equal to 2e in this, therefore 2 into 2e is equal to 4e, and it is our required, and we want to know the value of h dash 1, and it is option 1, that is 4e. Here we reached answer. Answer is option 1, 4e. Therefore the whole solution is just like this. First if you should first differentiate the function, then put putting the value function fx, then putting the value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, then you should get the value of c, then putting the value of c in main equation, then we get fx. Now hx, we should calculate the value of hx. After that we put x is equal to 1, and we reached into the final solution. That's all.